guys something real quick. This video, I am going to be working in my gym at my apartment, and it's like the smallest gym I've ever seen in my life. And I'm trying to see if I'm going to be able to get a full workout in this gym. Now, I might end up dying because look what I just seen when I walked in. The freaking AC is broken. It's so freaking hot up in here. I have Samuel here. He is going to be my videographer today. This is how small the place is. That's a mirror. It makes it look big in here, but no, it's not. This is it. This is it. This is, I guess like the size of a bedroom. This is all we got in here. I cannot stand like the basic cardio, like using these machines. So I usually only do 5 minutes. 5 minutes on the treadmill, 5 minutes on the Stairmaster, and 5 minutes on the bike. This bike hurts my butt. I've been in here before, this bike hurts my butt like crazy. They don't have a Stairmaster, so I gotta use this stupid thing. And then the treadmill. You guys are gonna see my full workout in here.
Elliptical.
I have my waist trainer on because I always start my workout with the waist trainer on when I do this basic warm-ups and stuff. And then I take it off when I stretch. And I guess I'm about to stretch right here in the middle. And it's crazy because the door is right here, so if anybody comes in, look, you're running into stuff. I like to have the incline all the way up. Now at my gym, incline is 20. The highest incline is 20. Let's see what they got here. 15. Not what I usually do while I'm doing this, because I just don't like this. I don't like this workout for nothing. Like after 2 minutes, I'm like, okay, is it over? So what I usually do is watch YouTube videos, but I don't have any videos to watch because I already watched them. So I'm just gonna sit here, be bored. My waist trainer, under my waist trainer, I did put Sweet Sweat. I always put Sweet Sweat on my belly, and then I put the waist trainer on, and then do my warm up. Get that sweat going. Just want to let you guys know. I'm gonna do 5 minutes of this, and see what happens. Okay, so I just finished my warm up. As you guys can see, it is real. It's so freaking hot in here. So now I took off my, go ahead, show them. I took off my waist trainer. So I took off my waist trainer now. I am about to get into my stretches. I have a whole stretch routine. Let's see if I can get it done in here. It looks like I might have a little bit of room, but as you guys can see, I'm smack dab in the middle of the gym.
Oh, you're supposed to. Oh man. Yeah, the other way you can do it though.
This way, yeah. All right. So my first workouts, I either do it with a medicine ball or I do it with freehand. It's called Gorillas, but I usually do it a longer distance than this in the gym. So what I would do is I will start back there and I will do the Gorillas coming this way, and then I will sprint back the other way. So let's try it. And I alternate that with the bear crawls. So I'll bear crawl this way and then sprint back. So that's like my little HIIT type of cardio that I do. With that first workout that I do, the Gorillas, they usually have a ball in my hand, and I use the ball as my hands. So I hold the ground and then hop with the ball. But so I don't have a ball, use my hands. This gym doesn't have a ball. My gym does. Two workouts down, 6 workouts to go. My next workout consists of battle ropes. I had to order these battle ropes because this gym ain't got no battle rope. And I need battle ropes. So we're gonna try to put these battle ropes in this small ass room. If you guys know what battle ropes are, you know they're long as heck. And maybe put it on through this thing and then have it
right there.
On there, yeah. Workout and pair it with another workout as well. So I'm gonna put this booty band on and I'm gonna do battle ropes in a squat position. Not always squatted, but like kind of squatted, squat position. Then the next one I do with it, like superset it with, is pulsing battle ropes. So I pulse and then come up and squeeze, pulse, and that's both of those are 40 seconds long. And I do that 2 times. I do those 2 times. One more set of that, then we'll move on to the next workout. After this is done, only 4 more workouts. And I'm gonna stretch, and I'll be out of this sauna. It's the heat, the heat. The next one is, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. What I have to do is do the ropes while I plank. And I don't see myself being able to do it. I'm gonna try to hold the rope up there and not right here. Usually what I would do is I'll have a medicine ball, I'll throw it up, catch it, and then squat down. Throw it up, catch it, squat down. But since they don't have balls here, what I'm gonna do is get dumbbells. Keep the dumbbell in my hand, go up with it, come back down, squat. Oh, wait, no. Let me see. You think it'll work like this? My feet is touching the wall.
Literally.
Oh man, let's try it. Oh no, it's not gonna work. I gotta scoot up. I can't even do it.
I can help you.
No, I can't have help, man.
Want me to help you?
No.
I can pull the rope a little bit.
No.
Oh, you know what you can do? Is pull the rope from one side more. Like this. It's coming over.
I'm tired. It's so hot in here. You guys, I can't do it. I can't do it. It's so freaking hot in here. I'm gonna die. Don't try this at home. I can't do that workout. I'm dying, you guys. It is so freaking hot in here. That rope is done. I'm gonna do this though. I'm gonna do 2 rounds of this. I'm calling it quits. Because I'm just too hot. I'm too tired, and some of the workouts I can't do in here is dangerous. Like I want to do some burpees, but jumping over this rope, I might hit a trash can, I might hit a treadmill, hit my head. I don't know. But what I am gonna do is just do my ending stretches so I won't be sore. I stretch a lot, if you guys haven't noticed, but I have to stretch a lot so that I won't be stiff. This feels good. Oh, this feels good. Oh, this feels good. Oh, this feels good. Yeah. So unmotivated. It's so little and hot and boring and gray.
Gray?
Gray. Oh shoot, somebody's coming.